Okay, so this is a Singer 68 class large bobbin that we make here. Serial number, last three digits is 301. It's got the Efka servo motor on here. And this is what our new race setup that we put together in here. We sort of designed it around what's in a Juki machine. The original part here has been discontinued, so we've changed all these parts and set that up. So anyway, here we are. We're going to sew on some webbing here just to show you how it works, and we'll show you the application. Right now it's set at about 700 RPM. So one more, then we'll look at the bottom. Okay, you can see how nice and tight that bottom pulls up. Okay, so now the application that this machine was built for is to sew this rope. Try on another piece here. All right. So again, this is Camatron 68 class large bobbin equipped with the Efka servo motor.